In Afghanistan, India is also contributing to peace-building efforts. As a democracy, India is conscious of the need to prioritize institution building, in particular governance structures, to strengthen institutional capacity and the rule of law, taking into account the views of the host government. Consequently, these need to be the building blocks on which peace building should rest. India, through its extensive development partnerships with developing countries, particularly in Africa and Asia, has always played a constructive and significant role in the context of peace building. I would also take this opportunity to touch on the India-UN Development Partnership Fund, which was established in 2017. In a short span of 4 years, the fund has developed a portfolio of 64 development projects in partnership with 48 developing countries, including 17 countries in Africa, focusing on South-led, demand-driven development and transformational projects. Through these funds, it has been our endeavor to focus on, inter alia, climate resilience, environmental sustainability, gender equality, renewable energy, improving maternal health, water and sanitation, education, employment and livelihoods, disaster recovery and risk management, agricultural development, and infrastructure. India has and continues to assist countries bilaterally in post-conflict situations by providing substantial grants and soft loans. In the sphere of training, for example, for countries emerging out of conflict situations in Africa, our focused training in areas of electoral administration, good governance, etc., have been deeply valued by these countries. Moving on to our neighborhood, for instance, in Afghanistan, India is also contributing to peace-building efforts. Our development partnership includes more than 550 community development projects covering all 34 provinces of the country, and it is aimed at strengthening Afghanistan.